This is going to be a very brief explanation on how to set the time, date, day of the week, and month for the Villandry Rivoli. So you'll notice right away the subdials here and date window on the watch. So date window obviously tells the date. The subdial on the left of the watch is the day of the week, and the subdial on the right is actually the month, which we haven't seen in many of the watches we've sent previously. To set it, it's relatively similar to most watches. In crown in first position there, if I turn clockwise, I set the date window. Counterclockwise sets the day of the week, and then second position, as always, is to set the time. So now you might be wondering how you change the month. This watch comes with a beautiful little feature on the side here, where you can see it also comes with this tool. And using the tool, we just push this button here on the side, and once we line it up here, give it a gentle touch and a little pressure, and you'll notice the month changes over one at a time. And that is how to use the Villandry Rivoli.
Be sure to head over to watchgang.com/WG101 for more watchgang education.